Hi guys! Pem ulit from coins.ph. Kala nyo, di nyo na ako makikita, no? Pero okay lang, kasi nandito ako ngayon para i-guide kayo kung paano maging level 2 verified account. So, first step is to get ID verified. Ito yung list namin ng valid IDs. Ayan. Take note na hindi kami nag-a-accept ng TIN IDs and company IDs. Kapag minor ka naman, age 14 to 17 years old, may options din naman kami for you. Pwede kayong mag-submit ng student ID with the consent of your guardian. Okay? And then, let's start from your app, limits and verifications, and then click verify. So, enter your personal information. And then, sa source of income, lalagay nyo dito kung saan manggagaling yung funds na ilalagay nyo sa wallet nyo. For example, allowances, remittances, salaries, ganun. And then, address information, enter that. And then, upload your ID. Ito yung mga tips kung paano kayo ma-verify on your first try. So, make sure na clear yung ID na i-upload nyo. Hindi pa siya mag-e-expire within 1 month of submission. Kita rin yung 4 corners, so complete dapat yung ID. And then, make sure syempre na valid and kayo yung nandun sa ID. And then, yun. Step 2 for your level 2 verification is to be self-verified. So, yan. Selfie. On. Make sure for self-verification na hindi nabablock yung face niyo. Ganun lang kasimple. Just wait for 3 business days and then you'll receive an email from our team. So, kung meron pa kayong ibang updates na gusto from us, just like and follow our Facebook page, our Instagram, our Twitter account, and make sure na mag-subscribe kayo sa aming YouTube channel. And then, kung meron pa kayong mga ibang questions and meron pa kayong gustong i-discuss namin for our next topics, just comment them below. Yan. And then, ganun lang. See you again next time. Bye-bye!